Hey, and welcome to Unit 7. In this unit, we're going to learn how to make charts and how to deal with artwork in our spreadsheets. Before we start taking a look at the objectives, just a little word of caution. There's going to be a lot of objectives, but don't worry about them. There are a lot, but we cover them fairly quickly as we go through the material. Let's start taking a look at them. Create a new chart. Add additional data series, switch between rows and columns in source data, analyze data by using quick analysis, resize charts, add and modify chart elements, apply chart layouts and styles, move charts to a chart sheet, insert text box, shapes, images, and add alt text, and finally, modify object properties. This is going to be a easier, I would say, fun unit because we're not doing anything super techy. This stuff is the kind of artistic aspect, making your spreadsheets look nice, making them more visually appealing. That's what we're looking at in this unit. So no complicated formulas or anything like that we did in previous lessons.